Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Stuck choosing between the Huanyu Professional Coffee Grinder and the Ultimate Home Coffee Roasting Starter Kit? It's like choosing between becoming a master barista or a coffee alchemist.
The Huanyu, with its sleek black finish and touchscreen, screams professional. But is it just a pretty face? Or does it deliver that perfect grind?
Oh, it delivers. That massive 74mm stainless steel flat burr is designed for speed and consistency. We're talking commercial grade here. Imagine grinding enough for a whole cafe in minutes. Plus, with that anti-flying outlet, no more messy coffee grounds explosions.
The Roasting Starter Kit is a completely different beast. It's about taking control of the entire coffee process, from green bean to cup. You even get 2 pounds of green beans to start.
Exactly. Let's break down what makes each one shine. The Huanyu boasts 15 stepless grinding settings, adjusted with a unique pole. That means infinite control. From superfine espresso to coarse French press, you can nail the perfect grind every time. And that 53-ounce bean hopper? You won't be refilling it constantly.
The Roasting Starter Kit's Burr grinder has 16-step settings, which is less precise. But it's designed to work specifically nice with the Fresh Roast State Route 800 roaster. It's about synergy, not just individual performance. Plus, you get the bean cooler to rapidly stop the roasting process and preserve those delicate flavors.
Here's the key difference. The Huanyu is a specialized tool for coir grinding damble. The Roasting Starter Kit is a complete system for creating your perfect coffee.
The Huanyu weighs in at over 30 pounds and stands almost 21 inches tall. It's a serious piece of equipment. Do you have the counter space and the need for that kind of power?
The Roasting Starter Kit is more manageable, but it requires a different kind of commitment. You're not just pressing a button, you're actively involved in the roasting process, monitoring the beans and adjusting the roast profile. It's a hands-on hobby.
So ask yourself, what are you really after? Do you want the ultimate in grinding precision and the ability to handle large volumes of beans? Or do you want the satisfaction of crafting your own unique coffee blends from start to finish?
If you demand consistent, cafe-quality grinds and have the space, the Huanyu Professional Coffee Grinder is the clear choice. But if you're drawn to the art of roasting and want to unlock a whole new world of coffee flavors, the Ultimate Home Coffee Roasting Starter Kit is an incredible starting point. Both are fantastic, but they cater to different coffee passions. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.